If you're looking for a reliable and cost-effective way to replace your tailgate support cable, look no further. This direct replacement part is designed to fit specific vehicles, such as the 2001 Nissan Frontier, ensuring a secure and stable tailgate. Made from high-quality materials, this cable guarantees long-lasting durability, preventing tailgate damage and saving you from costly repairs. With a focus on performance and longevity, this tailgate support cable has undergone rigorous virtual testing for fit, function, and durability. It meets the same standards as the original cables in your vehicle, offering peace of mind with every use. This part is engineered to stabilize your tailgate and ensure its smooth operation for years to come. Whether you need to replace a broken cable or simply want to upgrade, this product is an excellent choice for keeping your tailgate in perfect condition. It's easy to install and offers great value, allowing you to preserve your vehicle's integrity without breaking the bank. To confirm compatibility, just enter your vehicle's make, model, and trim level into the garage tool. Don't wait for further damage. Click the link in the description to purchase this reliable tailgate support cable and get your vehicle back to full working order.